Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to show or hide your caller ID on your iPhone running iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So if you want to call other people without them knowing that it is you, then you need to hide your caller ID. So to hide your caller ID, go into your settings app, then scroll down and tap on phone. Now within the call section, tap on show my caller ID. Wait for a few seconds and then the option should show up. Currently caller ID is enabled. To hide your caller ID, you need to toggle it to the left side. This will switch off caller ID. Now your number will no longer be shown to the other person. It will be either show up as withheld, private, or unknown. Please note, some mobile networks do not support caller ID, so in some cases it will be grayed out or you'll be able to toggle it, but it won't work. To show your caller ID, just toggle it to the right side. And that is how to show or hide your caller ID on your iPhone running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.